What's up, my Credit with Capital crew? This is Renata, the Credit Compass. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you won't miss out on any information that we put out on Wednesdays. Now, today, we're going to talk about how you can understand your credit score, okay? So, without further ado, let's get it. Okay, you guys, now we're going to actually crack down and make sure that you actually understand what is your credit score and how they actually obtain it, okay? So we're going to talk about three topics. The first topic is understanding your credit score, how to improve your credit score, and monitoring and maintaining your credit scores, okay? Now, the first topic is understanding your credit score. Okay, now what is a credit score? Okay, now a credit score are numbers representing an individual's credit worthiness, typically range in between 300 to 850. Okay, now the higher that's the highest you could actually get on your credit score. Okay, now basically is your credit worthiness, and that's what they're judging. Now, factors that influence your credit is basically like your payment history, credit utilization, the length of credit history, the types of credit accounts that you have on the account, which you should have 5 different types on your account, and also a recent credit inquiry. Now, sometimes these inquiries affects your score if you're actually going phishing. And phishing is basically when you go and you apply for multiple credit cards at one time. Now, you can actually do the multi-card strategy, or what other people call stacking, and that would eliminate all those inquiries, okay? But you got to make sure that your credit profile is actually set up and ready to do that, okay? Because it will hurt you more than help you, okay? Now, also, the importance of having a great credit score is it plays a tremendous role in your lifestyle, okay? It provides with your loan approval, the interest on the loans that you get, even filling out an application for a rental property, okay? It decides exactly what location you're going to rent at. Is it going to be in a good neighborhood or in a bad neighborhood? It's up to you. Whatever lifestyle that you want to live, that is what your credit score is going to define, okay? Now, number 2, how to improve your credit score. The first thing, as always, timely payments. Make sure you pay your payments on time, okay? We cannot stress enough how making on-time payments for bills, credit card accounts, as payment history is a significant factor in your credit score, which is 35%, you guys, 35%. So make sure you pay your bills on time. You have a cell phone, put it in your phone 10 days before. Arrange it to how you get paid. They will work with you. They will actually change your due date, or you can actually call them and see when the statement date is, so you can pay it off before the statement date. So that way, when they do report to the credit bureaus, your payment will already hit the account, and then your credit score will go up because you paid it before they report it to the credit bureaus. Okay. Now, credit utilization. That's basically of how you actually using your credit card, making sure that you keeping a low balance compared to a credit limit that can have a positive impact on your account if it's at a low balance. If it's a high credit utilization, it can actually hurt your credit more than anything. So I always say keep it at 30%. If you can do it lower, 10% is that sweet spot. I tell you all the time. That's one reason how I got approved for a 25,000 K limit with Navy Federal. Okay, so sweet spot 10%. Okay, now the length of your credit history, that's just saying how long you had this card. So when you do pick the card that you want, make sure that it is a card that you want for a long term. Okay, like right now, I'm looking for frequent flyer miles. So if anybody know a great frequent flyer miles or points for miles, flying points, please put it in the chat below and let me know, because that is what my goal is. Flying for free, you guys. Hey, hey, it is what it is. Also, number 3, monitoring and managing your credit score. Okay. Now, you want to monitor your credit score regularly. Individuals that regularly monitor their credit scores, their credit reports, can get in front of any errors that's on your account. So that is one of the reasons why you want to monitor your credit score, because you want to make sure that the credit bureaus are reporting factual information. Okay, so that way, maintaining that they can obtain free annual credit reports from all 3 major bureaus, which is Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Okay, so you want to make sure that you write each one of them individually, and you are allowed to get one free credit report a year. And you have to pay more for your credit score, but if you have a credit card, they offer free credit scoring, but make sure it's using FICA and not Vantage. I'll make a video later on the difference between FICA and Vantage. Okay, and then next is credit score tracking. uh, you want to be able to monitor your credit report services with different apps, like I said, real-time credit score and updates with alerts. So you can use these other programs that they have, Identity IQ. You can use, it's a whole bunch of out there. Just Google them. But make sure that they're using FICA and not Vantage, because you want to see what the bank sees. Okay. So with FICO score, okay, because that's what they're gonna go off of, okay. And then also, when you do monitor and manage your credit score, you want to dispute any inaccuracies on your account, okay. The process to dispute these accuracies on your account is very easy, but all this takes time and patience, okay. Now, thank you so much. Now, these 3 topics that we talked about today is understanding your credit score, how to improve your credit, also maintaining and managing your credit score. Okay, these topics and supporting details provide a foundation understanding of your credit score, okay? How to improve them, how to monitor and manage them effectively, and understanding the concepts is essential for anyone that is looking to maintain or enhance their financial well-being. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Please catch me on Spotify with my podcast, as well on join our Facebook group, Credit with Capital, and please follow me on all platforms. Okay, my name is Renata, the Credit Compass. Be you, be true, and let's keep moving forward. And I'll see you on the next video.